It is May 21st, 2020. This is my daily recap video. Today I took 3 trades and I am down for the day. Down and done for the day. Okay, so first I took JD on a pre-opening range breakdown. I saw was this, a couple of red candlesticks here. Um, they closed below all these averages in VWAP, and right here it looked like it was going to, break down below this previous low. Um, so I went short and it did go down more, and I just missed by a second or two, missing covering at the right time, so I didn't get quite as good of a fill as I wanted to. I was trying, going for 10 cents, of course. But then it just looked like it was going to just head back up, and so I just got stopped out. So that was actually a loss on that trade for $3.30. And then over at Microsoft, um, let's see. So it looked like it was going to break out of this, this high, the current high. Um, it's not the best looking setup, but I did like it fairly well, and I didn't see anything on level two, and I didn't see, um, or the real time price action wasn't the best, but it was okay. But I decided to take it anyways, which, as you'll see in a minute here, I shouldn't have. But it also looks like an ascending triangle, kind of. See, you see this, Um, well, actually, I guess it kind of broke out of that already. Kind of. Yeah, not really too much of an ascending triangle, I guess. Um, yeah, I don't know. It was kind of forming one because the lows were getting higher, and then it was getting close to this, this top. So it kind of was. It's just kind of an ugly one. So not too good. I shouldn't have taken this trade really. I don't know why I did. I was probably revenge trading from the last, the first trade, being a loser. And then I got stopped out. So I lost on that one $6. And then finally I took one more trade, um, a an opening range breakout this time, because it seemed like it was finding support here. It looked like it was going to move up, and this time possibly break out of the high of the day, or this previous 5 minute candlestick here. So I took it. I only took 36 shares again. Man, it was a waiting game. I waited, this happened. Still looking okay because it did make a new low, so I stayed in. And then kind of just did the same thing. And then um, finally looked like it was going to maybe break out. So I added 36 more shares. And see, at this point, it looks more like an ascending triangle, a lot more, in fact. If you see, here you have the angle part here, and then you got this nice flat line here, looking like it was going to break out. So that's why I added there. And then this happened. Let's see, I'm trying to see okay, there I am. And then that happened, but not enough for me to take any shares off. Not quite yet, anyways. And that happened. And that happened. That happened. Looking like, this looks like a little bull flag, so it's still looking good. So I didn't get out yet. It's still above the 90 MA, and it's hasn't broken below here. And then it finally almost, then it kind of did broke out, kind of broke out here. So I took some off here, or actually here first, the one above, and then I decided, I better take some more off because it didn't break out that hard that far. So I worried it's gonna, just not do anything after that. And I'm glad it did, because if you see, it started just kind of, pooping out. It just didn't have much momentum. So I ended up getting out here the rest of my position right there. I'm glad it did because it just kept going down and down and down. So a good move there. That was my only winner today. So I had a 1 out of 3 winners. That was for a $5.77 win. So on today, I am down $3.55. So not bad, but not good. I shouldn't have traded that. I shouldn't have traded that first Microsoft trade. Um, It just wasn't really the greatest setup, and it wasn't nothing was really that great about it. So I think that was my kind of a that was my downfall. If I didn't take that trade, I would have been actually green a couple bucks on the day. So that's okay. Not too bad today, I guess.